Have you been trying to lose weight but it is not working? I just want to bear with me that losing weight does not happen overnight. It takes time before you can lose weight. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. This is a cooking channel, but currently we are on a weight loss journey. And if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe. So I have my apple. I have washed it very well, cut it very well, and I'm going to just add some drinking water to it and then blend it very well. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red button and the bell icon for me for more videos. So we are going to strain this very well, then we proceed. If you're watching me from Facebook, hello, can you please follow for more? Thank you so much for your time. It is actually free if you follow or you subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So after straining that, I have my cucumbers here. I've added some ginger. I'm just going to add it to my blender with some water and blend that as well. I have some broccoli here. Now broccoli is my best friend. I just love it. So I'll wash that as well, add some to the rest of the cucumbers and then blend, strain it very well. So the first one that I blended, I strained it behind the camera. Okay, and this one, so I'm going to do the same thing. I don't want the video to be very long. So I have my pineapple here. I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients and then strain that as well. Thank you so much for your time once again, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching me. So I've added my pineapple to the rest of the broccoli. I'm going to blend it and strain it behind the camera, and our juice looks like this. It is very refreshing and healthy. Thank you so much for your time, and remember, you can't lose weight overnight. It is time. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.